By the end of this video, you will be able to create this awesome looking animation without using any package. Let me show you. I want to animate this icon and this text when I'm switching between these two views. In order to achieve this animation, I need to wrap my icon and my text inside the hero widget, like this. To create the list style, what I've done is I have wrapped all three children inside the row. The third children is a size box. To create the grid tile item, what I've done is I have wrapped all three children inside the column. This is how I have defined the grid view page. And this is how I have defined the list view page. Simple. Now, to use the hero animation, what we need to use? The navigator. Because without a navigator, the hero animation will not work. So here we need to define the navigator. And we are going to define the page history here to the pages. And we are going to define what will happen when a page is removed. We are going to remove that page from the page history. Simple. And then what we are going to do is we are going to pass a key and we are going to use that key to push or pop any page from this navigator. If the grid is visible, then we are going to push the list view. Simple. If the grid is not visible, then we are going to push the grid view page. Let me restart application. But this is not working as it was supposed to work, right? So how we can solve? We need to pass a observer here, and we are going to pass the observer material app dot create hero controller. This hero controller is responsible for the whole hero animation. Let me restart application. As you can see, we have successfully created the animation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.